Good morning, Moachi, Akwaba, Emraso, a good evening, Semni. Na Ebasa na isi akonko Jehovah Bamba ne yoyo ne enyuma kubi ne de abaye wala natural mineral water insuo no bu papa ne wala wanumbia wala natural mineral water sponsors na no pay Franco Trading Enterprise no matter phone no brand just a brand ko no yenye obenya bi of Franco and they and the come ho ne say esan da form boko san say yen so ediem ye botomu kasa but the CCTV cameras no ne tabletop fridges air condition no nyina Franco akofa ne nyina bi so de aba ya papa say ya no de ya na soni so Franco de na ne weather condition na amahwe aya ne fire no matter to kura we shem Franco air condition betimi adi wo aka gina mu nyuma koi yes ya konkon ne de nsam no bra wo na be hyase e de fe no the Europa League and then of course Conference League bar so results need be selected ones Midland call away and fight your Bonachu Galatasaray ball Tottenham Hotspur by 3-2 Victor Osimhen e di Agropower sa game no Ayas ball Maccabi Tel Aviv by 5-0 Fenerbahce is attack match initially fi Bonakami ensa Emanitimo back. Dynamo Kiev and Vorosis Kobonoka and Naya want to me and Manchester United. Ewini Chuni Liverpool FC and Tishan and Sosa FM then in a Conference League. Chelsea done a nice one in Noah. Chelsea Noah for the one show. How much you know for Noah FC? A Kamakuma or Chia Noah FC and to me ante. We got Chelsea rotate you and it's a Noah fortune from we. Some bank credit. And on other results, the Brinane Baswa and Yenra January and Homo a game no Koya 1-1 in the Italian Serie A. Now, Yakanasano no Yanko Pimun share this weekend, match Saud Rebecoso in the EPL. La Liga, Serie A, and the Aka Brentford, and Bournemouth and 3 p.m. Crystal Palace and Fulham, West Ham United, ne Everton, Wolves and Southampton, Brighton and Manchester City, Liverpool and Aston Villa. Way more, Liverpool, Aston Villa. Wow. Okay. Manchester United, Leicester City, Northern Forest, Newcastle, Spurs, Ipswich Town, Chelsea and Arsenal is the biggest game this weekend. England, Chelsea and Arsenal. Now, Rayo Vallecano and UD Las Palmas and Real Madrid, Osasuna, Madrid back in action. Early kickoff and early kickoff games. Then Shada Nyema Real Madrid, Villarreal and Deportivo Alaves. Ne Boleganes, ne Sevilla, Real Betis, ne Celta de Vigo. Now face Real Mallorca and Atletico de Madrid. And your bad game. Getafe and Girona. Now face Valladolid and Athletic Club Bilbao. Now Real Sociedad and Barcelona Bilbao. Ewa Europe matima kwa kwenye win no na tum say yes ekoye di momo pa ti no ho asama no okopie mu Italian Serie A ne mu so a purchase here, you know. Now Inter Milan, Napoli this weekend omomienu so ba ko lead ne ba ko to so mienu ti ama weekend game na mu ye den pa ne ya be se ne no so ebesi akọ e ho no mo Chenison wala natural mineral water can on edin samno bro ye share konko bumura Black Stars mo kakra ne hwede ye koso Black Stars and ra coach to ado one name 25 months scorer or the be Angola and Niger now or the two say Abranten did Jordan Ayew and then you are a captain for the 2 games Barcelona watch them with the India.
Now as we know Thomas is not there for the next 2 games, we made the decision to or at the end from now, and he will lead and guide the team. And for me, it was very important to take time to talk to Jordan also, to talk about his responsibilities as a captain, because it's always about the team first. It's always about to build a bridge as a captain between the coach and the players. It's always about to be disciplined, to take certain responsibility. You know, all these things as a leader. It's not, for me, it's also about experience, but not only. It's not only about maybe you have 1,000 games for Ghana or whatever. It's a lot of things which you have to do and you have to take responsibility. And for me, these things, you need to take time with the player to talk and go through so that in case there are worst case scenarios, the captain knows what to do and knows what I expect from him. So for me, it's not just like a decision you can take. You can give it to somebody. It's a long talk. It's understanding. It's getting perspective, my perspective, the player's perspective. And then at the end we agreed, and I was happy for him to accept it. And yeah, I think he can give.
After 4 games, you toss me and sign group on them 2 points. Now I see winning a games team you na near hope say Sudan be losing the day na san yet me qualify. Angola no a ye ne be bona qualify that na Sudan no so be bobi. Niger no so a worry no be a hye ne bi ni so san na bo. Tade ne de gise nyankopon ba mu. Ye nkra de nkra se ba ya be wi ni ye de na so kra ayasam. Hey! Oh, adwuma na yedin. Now coach Otoado asantoaso asre Ghana fo nyina say anko yi aya musu twitwa mo players no na omo so omo ye pensere. Why?
Once we make them feel like when they come home, they're at home, they will give their best, and it will come. But if they come home and it's like a toxic environment, it's always difficult for them. It's not easy. They are just human beings. And what we all can do, is to support them, because we all want Ghana to win, and we all want Ghana to have success. So this is only what I can ask for, is support. I will try, and our technical staff will try to make them to feel at home, to make them feel good, to also talk about the negative things from the games, but also about the positive things, because there were a lot of positives, and we created, when I see all the matches, we created a lot of chances, and now we have to work on them to score and to support them.
Right. Yeah, who said Thomas Partey jina mo de mass now? Yes, some games some bo nyina chairman jina mo bunuya. Last time now send home fan. This time around yeah who saw obo the ntia on ka squad ne ho no Otoado achirem.
I had a confidential talk with Thomas. Like, you know, I'm a coach who always like to protect the players. So I hope for your understanding. For me, the team is like family, and I'm not coming out with internal issues. But I made quite clear to him he wanted to come. So this one first, he wanted to come, but I made quite clear that why he's not coming. Like I said, it's confidential. It's difficult for me to mention all the things. It's like that. We have to move on.
Wow, Otoado na chiremo. Say the one particular they want to be in country, but on na din komo no person ba no ma ne hu de ntia ense se oba ne ade antia nde e on ne ntem asem ne ade Asante Koroko player ba ko Emmanuel Lantwi anya opportunity was a score him. Imani age pass ya friend aka Black Stars now.
I've been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time, and it's a dream come true. And it shows I made the right decision by joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I think I'm doing something right that has, you know, taken me to this level. I think I can do more. It means a lot to me. Credit goes to our head coach and to the technical team as well, and also to the head coach of Ghana Black Stars, Coach Otoado, for keeping an eye on me. And also credit goes to the players for helping me to improve.
Right, Emmanuel Lantwi, I wish well, herself qua, many be a ball, because I had too much in my local boys and say I'm from Mumumbi, Mama Swaz chess. So, and I had me power. While I'm not trying to water, can one opinion in some air now. Young called the Ghanaian Premier League match day 10 air basso, Patroko Pimo, the University of Ghana Stadium, and then you may as of Oak versus Vision FC. As I saw Mokonya win with Takwano, Coach Abubakar Watara, said Vimen Vogo, no more de Kosa Machimu.
Who are playing as a folk. His preparation is double. He have another motivation, he have another determination against us. So for it's we, the playing body and the technical team, to be serious, to take every match as fair. Because the people who are coming is coming with another motivation. We are playing against us for Suffolk, we want to determine, and some fans for that teams also starting shouting and bringing some pressure on the players. I think we need to focus on every match, every single match is important for us. That's why if we are disciplined, we are follow, I think it's better for us to garden the points. That we can't say this team is lower or this. No, For me, all the teams are the same level. It's we as a folk to make your job to get the favor of.
Right, and only Coach Watara Samo, but Vision FC coach and an Ajaman, and also say, or Jitum Sars of folk favorites, but among call University of Ghana Stadium could Diagro.
Nothing should motivate you more than having that feeling of playing Accra Hearts of Folk. My boys know that if they are able to beat Accra Hearts of Folk, they're going to be on the lips of Ghanaians for a very long time. So they are ready. Mentally, they are ready. Physically, they are ready. Technically, tactically, they are ready. So I think that we're going to take the game to them. We have so many ways of playing Accra Hearts of Folk. We've seen bits and pieces of their video, but every game is different. You can go into a game with a 4-3-3 system, but at the end of the day, you might end up even a 3-5-2 or a 3-4-2-1. Everything depends on the way your opposition also attacks and defend, and then you can make in-game tweaks to make sure that you are able to beat Accra Hearts of Folk.
Right. Young comedy ma for so Akachi Omo and Dreams FC airport this weekend. Nibosha Kapo, na head coach to Mamidi Wakasa about that game.
We cannot approach and we cannot accept they are a bad team. This is something what is impossible. They have very good players and they are a team who also will try to go back from their crisis against Medeama, because Medeama is excellent team for this. For every opponent, we must be very careful. We must be very tough. We must gradually, when we start the match, play very good, realize good situations, play simple passes, achieve good ball position, because AstroTurf is field where we can involve a lot of our ideas, and this is something what is also positive for us, and I hope we will get everything we expect in this match.
Right, one match I'll be bringing the Ghanaian Premier League mo ya Metema Kumasa Sante Kotoko and Ibichem United. Match and no bad day. Coach Prosper Netogum in the last two games and Shadan Kwe Papa. Then okay about this game.
We need to show high levels of energy, high levels of aggression, and then we also need to show a lot of creativity in front of goal. Make sure that the few chances that come our way, we convert them, because they are a very, very resolute side. They are a very strong side. Physically, they are very strong and they try to play a lot of long balls. We have to make sure that we are aggressive with and without the ball. We are very determined to run throughout the 90 minutes with and without the ball, and make sure also that the few chances that come our way, we convert. Because that's the essence of the game, to convert your chances and then make sure that you defend the goals that you have scored.
Rob Prosper Netelgum, one of your head coach, the Makoroko, in 7. No match day 10, you're a fixtures no yet. Apart from Goroko and Big Team, as of Folk Vision, no other games here, Dame. And at 7 p.m., Adom versus Vision FC now. Or tonight, Dreams FC, name Dim and Airborne 3 p.m. Tuba Astro Tev. Consider Nations and the Instructorman Airborne. Big Team United, a card of saying. And then Asante Kotoko 3 p.m. Consider enough for Suji Abono, Basake Holy Stars, Accra Lions or Campa, can you say? Now, Young Apostles, Gold Stars, League Leaders, or Winchi, Nafi, so Art of Lions, Atenafio, Pando, Nibricum, Chelsea, Eddie Aboni, Adriana Stars, and a Carella, Nasamatex, and so, and in Legon Cities, Eddie Aboni, or the Century Sports Arena, where the Ghanaian Premier League. Match day 10, Ansama, Yadia to Jadiama also, and I don't pay ye. Imagine so, no pay Franco Trading Enterprise at time, or this year concon on the by we, Franco, the BIF phone, no matter the brand, no matter the size, electrical gadgets, appliances, TV, fridge, air conditioning, bobodin, to say in Amakophobia, photocopy machine, CCTV cameras, and all. Just bold at Franco Trading Enterprise. Papa ning na chis was for. Okay, one pay na. Yade agodi won some ebre wala natural mineral water. Weekend activities bebre ho. Insua ye dey ye no. Wala natural mineral water. Yada masiensa. Nyuma kwe dey sia konkon ye dey some na bre wo. Say Jobano Cho Bernard Padibotwe. Yam producers. Ochena anopa nondu empaimu. Sports arena. Emma Renfi. Adom TV so. Kaisa wote nankasa beka kejuane ho. Erika Siedu Bwedi.